Welcome everyone to another card video. I actually want to do a quick tutorial with you showing you a new stamp set from Stampin' Up! Called Mixed Bunch. It's this stamp set here, and then you use the punch, their punch that goes along with that set. You punch the flower out with that punch. So I want to show you a quick tutorial of what I did, and I'll show you my finished card project with the flower that we're going to make. So what I did, I've got a scratch piece of just white cardstock here, and I went ahead and punched out a excuse me, a flower already from the punch. We're actually going to use, this is my flower that I punched out. We're actually going to use the negative part of this, and I'll show you what we're going to do with it. So we're kind of using it as a mask, pretty much. So I've got some washi tape here, and I'm just going to push this down so my mask won't be moving around as much. So I've got three distress ink colors here: Scattered Straw, Sealess Preserves, and Ripe Persimmon. And I'm sorry, I've got a little tickle in my throat. Alright, so what we're going to do with these is I've got some sponge daubers here, and we're going to take these ink colors and we're going to make a really pretty multicolored flower from this. So first I'm going to use the Seedless Preserves, and I'm just going to kind of go along the edges here just to give the edges some the darker color. And all you do is just kind of go along the edges here with your paint sponge dauber, not paint dauber, sponge dauber. Like I said, I'm just kind of, doesn't have to be precise or anything, because what's so great about these distress inks is once they dry, all the colors will blend together. And I'll show you the end project here, and you can't even tell where the sponge has been or anything like that, because they all blend together really well. So I'm going to go along here right quick. I just love these colors. And that's why I like to use the distress inks so much, because they do blend together. Like I said, I'm just going along the edges of this one here. So it's real good, I think. Okay, so we'll go on to our next color, which is Ripe Persimmon. And the Seedless Preserves and the Ripe Persimmon were the seasonal distress inks that Tim Holtz came out with. And they went really fast. So the fall set did. I don't know about the Christmas, but because I think you can still buy those, but I don't know if you can buy the fall set or not. But I'm just kind of going along the edges here of that purple, and right now it kind of looks kind of like a mess. But like I said, once this dries, you will see how pretty these colors will blend together. Okay, our next color is Scattered Straw. And I'm just kind of going in a circular motion here with that color. And you can make this as light or as dark as you wish. I'm going to make it fairly dark and kind of go into the orange a little bit. Okay, let's see. So now, what we're going to do next is we're going to ink up our stamp here. This one I'm going to be using this image here, and I've already got it mounted to my stamp press. And I'm going to ink it up with Memento Tuxedo Black. And I'm going to I've got a scratch piece of paper here. Ink that up real good. Okay, and then, like I said, I got a scratch piece of paper. Move that over to the side, and I'm just going to stamp off once. And you still have black left. And what we're going to do is line this up. Excuse me for my head, but I got to line this up real good. Let go. And then I'll remove, and it's kind of offset, but that gives it character. And we'll remove our mask, and this is what it reveals. Is your flower here, and it gives this kind of rainbow look. And then once you are done, then you can line this up with your punch. Actually, let me trim off a little bit here so I can get my punch in there. Just line this up. Punch out your flower, and that's what you have. If I can get that in a good light. You see that? Isn't that cool? I mean, you can get more uses out of your flower that way. Like I said, it's a little offset, but you know, I am on video. I didn't want to take too much time, so. And now, so let me show you what I've done as far as my finished project here. This is the card I made. And I did the same technique. I just added some diamond stickles here in the middle. And I just made a 4 1/4 square card. And the pattern paper is actually from my Mind's Eye Miss Caroline collection. And so I wanted to kind of bring out each color in the pattern paper, and that went along really, really good with the flower. So, and the sentiment comes from another stamp set called For Everything, and it's this image here, this sentiment here. And I've got a chevron punch that I punched out. This is a punch from EK Success. And I punched out 3 different coordinating colors and put that chevron pattern there. And just added a little pin, decorative pin from Jenny Bolin, and then added my sentiment. And that was my finished card project. So I just wanted to share, that's a quick tutorial with you on how I made my flower. Hopefully if you've got this set, you'll give it a try. It's really fun. You can get, use all kinds of colors. It doesn't even have to be distress inks, just any colors that you want. But it gives you a different idea as to how to use this set. So thank you for stopping by and watching. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye.